Hello everyone, my name is Muhaimin. We have been given a task by a Center of Sustainable Energy Management, which is to install the solar PV at the area of Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu. So I will start from the introduction of this project. I will discuss about photovoltaic solar energy technology. Photovoltaic solar energy technology is using semiconductor in solar cells. Photovoltaic solar energy technology convert sunlight into electricity. So from sunlight we can get electricity for free. This is example of solar PV. Solar energy is also categorized as a renewable energy. This is because this energy derived from source that's naturally on human timescale. The sun is natural because it will be there every hour, every second, and every minute, every day. As you can see, there is no lamp here, just empty court futsal. So the participant in CAPSIS can play futsal at the night. So you can see.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. After talking with the group members, this is the place that we choose to installing the solar PV. As you can see, we are at the futsal court. This place has no light at night. So the people living in the dorm can play futsal at night. This place is also open. So this is a good thing for solar PV because there is no shadow of the tree to block the solar PV to process the energy. So in our project, we want to install solar here at the back goal, so that the hostel resident can use the facilities that have been provided by the Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu at the night. Okay, next I will tell about benefits of installing solar PV. One of them is that we can reduce the electricity bill payment. If we don't install the solar PV, we don't have to pay electricity bill to the government. We use our own energy and free electricity. Besides that, this energy can reduce greenhouse gas. This energy does not need fuel or anything else to process the energy. So there is no smoke. This energy is clean and safe to use. Our health is also protected. The solar PV is a clean energy and natural from the sunlight.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is MOHD.FARID NAJWAN. My matrix numbers is 07DE22F1062. This is the disadvantage of the solar energy. First of all, it need the high cost. Next, it was weather dependent, that when it's rainy, the solar energy cannot be processed. Next, solar energy storage is expensive, use a lot of space, and lastly, associated with pollution. Thank you. What is block diagram? If we need to build the block diagram, this is the basic component that we need. First, solar panel. Secondly, charger control. Thirdly, battery bank. And lastly, DC to AC inverter for AC power. This is how the basic build diagram when it's complete. What is single line diagram? A single line diagram, or short is SLD, is a high level schematic diagram showing how incoming power is distributed to equipment. This is the example of single line diagram.
Greetings to Sir Sharonizam. My name is Christopher Mark with matrix number 07DE22F1028. Now I'll talk about the comparison between the cost of using solar and without solar. In this project, we will install 4 lamps with 45 watt each, 2 solar PV with 100 watt each, and 9 batteries with 7 ampere and 12 volt each. This solar system will set it to turn on at the night in 5 hours. The battery charging at the morning around 9 AM to 2 PM. This is also depend on the weather. As you can see, the calculation, 1 lamp equal to 45 watt. So 4 lamp times 45 watt will be 180 watt. The lamp will turn on about 4 hours. So 180 watt times 4 hours will be 720 watt. 720 divided 12 will be 60 ampere. That is the usage for 1 day for the lamp. Next calculation is for the solar charge time. As you can see, the calculation, it depends on the weather. This is the total of Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu usage in a year. Next is the calculation for tariff. It shows the profit for 1 year if we use solar panel, that we don't have to pay to KKIP anymore. As you can see, this is the calculation for total cost we have to pay to KKIP if we don't use solar panel. In other words, you need to install more solar PV in order to have more power if you want to reduce the cost of PKK's electricity bills. The computation shows that we can save 118 ringgit and 26 cents on electricity bills consequently. The more solar PV that is installed, the more money we can save on electricity bills annually. As you can see, this is the list table for the items to be used and the total cost for all the items. This means after at least 13 years of this solar PV installation, you will have the return cost and enjoy. So what are you waiting for? Harness the power of the sun with solar panels so that you can reduce your environmental footprint and enjoying a long-term energy savings. As a precaution, this is the list of methods used to enhance power supply quality from the perspective of uninterrupted supply to the globe. These techniques can be combined to greatly improve power supply quality and guarantee a steady and dependable power source for important loads. Thank you.